Space might look calm from a distance, but it's a wild and unpredictable place. Out there are events so strange and extreme that they sound like science fiction. Stars that vanish without warning, planets made of diamond, galaxies that break the rules of physics. In the next few minutes, you'll hear 10 incredible space facts, each one real, each one a reminder that the universe is far more mysterious than we ever imagined. 10 mind-blowing space facts you probably haven't heard before. 1. A star that vanished without a bang. In 2009, astronomers at the Large Binocular Telescope began tracking a massive blue supergiant star in a galaxy called NGC 6946, known as the Fireworks Galaxy because it produces so many supernovas. Normally, a star this huge ends its life in a spectacular explosion, outshining its entire galaxy for weeks. But in 2015, when scientists looked again, the star was gone. No supernova, no bright cloud of debris, just darkness where it used to be. The best theory? It collapsed directly into a black hole without exploding, something we thought was impossible. If this is true, it's the first time we've seen a black hole born in total silence. 2. A planet-sized diamond. About 50 light-years from Earth is BPM 37093, a white dwarf star nicknamed Lucy after the Beatles song. White dwarfs are the remains of stars that have burned through their fuel, but Lucy is special. It's almost entirely made of crystallized carbon. In other words, a planet-sized diamond floating in space. Scientists estimate it weighs 10 billion trillion carats. If it were somehow mined, it would be the largest and most valuable gemstone in the universe. Though good luck trying to put it in a ring. 3. Worlds where it rains metal and glass. Our weather seems mild compared to what happens on some exoplanet. On WASP 76b, daytime temperatures are so high that iron literally turns to vapor. Strong winds carry this vapor to the planet's cooler night side, where it condenses and falls as molten iron rain. Another planet, HD 189733b, has clouds of silicate particles. There, the rain is made of scorching glass, blown sideways at over 4,000 miles per hour. On these worlds, an umbrella wouldn't help. You'd need a shield made of solid steel. 4. A ghost galaxy with no dark matter. Dark matter is supposed to be the glue holding galaxies together. Without it, their stars should drift apart. But in 2018, scientists found NGC 105-DF2, faint, ghostly galaxy that seems to have almost no dark matter at all. It's like finding a car that runs without an engine. This discovery challenges some of our most basic ideas about how galaxies form and survive, and it's still a mystery how this one exists at all. 5. Stellar vampirism. Not all stars live alone. In some binary systems, one star feeds on another, stealing its outer layers in a process called mass transfer. Over time, this stellar vampirism can strip the victim star almost bare, changing its color and size. Sometimes, the feeding gets so intense that it triggers a giant explosion, briefly making the star system one of the brightest objects in the sky. 6. Homeless rogue planets. Between the stars, in the darkness of interstellar space, drift billions of rogue planets, worlds with no sun of their own. Most were likely born in star systems and later ejected by powerful gravitational forces. These planets wander endlessly, only by the distant glow of other stars. Some may still have heat trapped inside, enough to keep underground oceans liquid and perhaps even alive. 7. The universe's deepest sound. You might think space is completely silent, and in a vacuum it is. But in giant clouds of gas, sound waves can travel. In 2003, NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory detected the lowest sound ever recorded, a deep B-flat, 57 octaves below middle C. coming from a black hole in the Perseus cluster. Its wavelength was larger than our entire Milky Way galaxy. If we could hear it directly, it would be so low and deep that it would feel more like a vibration in your body than a sound in your ears. 8. The cosmic web. Zoom out far enough, and galaxies stop looking like isolated islands. Instead, they form a massive cosmic web, threads of galaxies stretching billions of light years, connected at giant nodes, with vast empty voids in between. It's the largest structure in the known universe, and it makes our Milky Way look like just one tiny bead in an endless 3D spiderweb. 9. Cannibal neutron stars. Neutron stars are already extreme. Just a teaspoon of their material would weigh billions of tons. But some are even stranger. They pull matter from a companion star, spinning faster and faster until they become millisecond pulsars, rotating hundreds of times per second. That's faster than a blender blade, and they keep this speed for millions of years. 10. Alien atmospheres made of exotic gases. Many exoplanets have atmospheres nothing like Earth's. Some are rich in sodium and potassium, giving them strange, colorful glows. Others contain titanium oxide, which blocks heat like sunscreen but on a planetary scale. These alien skies create weather patterns we can barely imagine, from endless storms to heat so intense it could melt rock. Space isn't just stars and planets. It's a living laboratory filled with events stranger than anything we can dream up. Every year, astronomers uncover new mysteries that rewrite our understanding of the cosmos. Which one of today's facts surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, subscribe for more mind-blowing science every week. The universe has many more secrets to share.